Okay, we're here viewing this house in Dar es Salaam. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous so far coming in. Oh my. Look at you. You just the sweetest person. Thank you. Okay, this is coming in. Oh, this is like marble flooring. And look at this room. Oh my. So we have a sitting room in here. You can rent it furnished or unfurnished? Furnished or unfurnished? Okay. You have a dining area. You have another sitting room. Oh, missed the bathroom off of the first room. Mom, step to the... Thank you. It's very modern. Very modern. Western toilet. So you have another sitting room, living room, another space. What would we put here? No, there's the dining there. Well, then you have a pool. I'm not gonna go out because it's raining. And a nice deck. And a nice pool. So, for what though? You put water there. Not for sure what that's for. Oh, you wash your hands. That's right. Wash your hands before you sit in dinner. This is a fancy baby thingy. What are these things? High chairs. I don't forget what the baby things are called. No, it's raining. Don't get your socks wet. And then here is the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. You walk through, you can go to the outside that has some outside storage space that leads around to the front of the house. I'm not for sure if there's a generator here or not. Is there a generator here? And then they also off the kitchen, there's a back room for some more. Oh, it's the pantry probably. Pantry, yeah. Let's see, is there any lighting? Oh, there it goes. It's better. Nice size. Very nice size. And then we're going to another room, still downstairs. And this is a bedroom. Oh, another nice modern bathroom. Very nice. That's very nice. So like nobody's been here before? This is new.
No, some people. Only a few people.
Okay. We're gonna walk upstairs. This is nice. Oh, okay, this is a 3-level home, so this is level 2. When you come in, you got your sitting area. I'm gonna go to my left, see the front door. Oh, this is the up deck space. It comes off of one of the rooms, so let's see. This is, I guess, a master bedroom because look at this. I'm just gonna do a little turnaround here. You got a tub in the room, you got the bed, and this closet, my goodness, look at this closet. like, this is really nice. And then you have the bathroom, very large shower, very large bathroom. All that natural lighting coming in. This is really nice. It's gloomy today and raining, so it would be brighter. And then I think this leads out to, it does. So this leads out to the deck we saw. I'm not gonna go out there, but it leads out there to the deck. Oh, well, I'm going out there now. So you have a deck. This is your area looking outside from this bedroom view. Okay, this is what, bedroom number 2, I guess? There's one downstairs. So I'm gonna walk across the hall here. I saw that closet. And okay, we're gonna go to this one. Again, oh, this is the living when you come up. And there's, again, another little porch area you can come out to. That's what you see from this angle. In the back, this is what, bedroom number 3 I saw. It's cute. It has its own bathroom. Kids' bedroom have their own bathroom. Nice shower. And of course, we have the sink back here. So that's 1, 2, 3. So this is number 4 bedroom that we're going in. And another whatever space you want to create. It also has a little space where you can go out and sit and look outside. Has its own balcony. And it also has, I believe, its own bathroom. Yes, it does. This one has a tub. Oh, and a shower. And the shower, again, natural lighting. Western toilets are throughout, so I'm not going to mention it anymore. And then we're going to go up to floor number 3. Floor number 3. That's pretty. It's a blind. Yeah, that's a blind. It's an open space. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Up here, I'm going to go off to the left. And I don't know what this is, but make it whatever. It's another room, huge room. And you have access to yet another balcony. And again, this is what you see, your view in front of you. It's front of the house. And then we're gonna go to the left here. And we have a bathroom up here, nice shower, huge bathroom, and then you have another room to do whatever you want to do with it. It looks like they would need to fix that. But another huge spacious room. He said a month. And then you have, oh, this is cute. Great idea. You can sit and put a little theater space in this room. Every room has air conditions. And we have another room. They got two, I think these are full-size beds in here. And it has a balcony off of it. This is the back of the house now, and this is your view when you're on your balcony. No closet space though. I'm noticing that only one room had closet space, so you have to get the what are those things? The hutches, credenzas or whatever.
No, this is
That's
office.
locked.
It's closed.
Oh, these are offices. Okay, we can go in there. All right. How much is this house?
Well, I have to check the measurement. It was around 2,000 and 3,000.
2,000 to 3,000 a month per rent, the whole house.
Yeah, 2,000 to 3,000.
And what if you wanted to buy it? Not for sale?
Yeah,
2,000 to 3,000 a month to rent this.
but she told me it's better to have a group co-location, of course.
That's right.
Like 20 to 30 people can stay here. That's what she told me.
Yeah, not 20 to 30, but there could be a lot of people.
Yeah. Even 100.